Umalis muna kami ng wife ko from Singapore for a short break. We visited Taiwan for a few days to relax. May napansin lang ako. Pag matagal ka na palang OFW, you kinda stop being a normal tourist. Hindi mo na lang basta na-enjoy yung views sa bansang binibisita mo. Bigla mo na lang siyang nakukumpara sa Pilipinas. Hindi mo naman sinasadya. It just happens instinctively. Mapapansin mo yung mga maliliit na bagay. Like how people move around the city because of the efficient public transport system. Yung hindi ka kinakabahan maglakad sa gabi dahil alam mong safe ka. And the way everyday things just quietly work. Hindi naman sa nagrereklamo ka, but when you actually experience how life moves in other places, you see what normal living was supposed to look like. You start appreciating these places kung saan everyday life doesn't feel like a battle. And then, mapapatanong ka na lang sa sarili mo, why can't the Philippines be like this? People back home might think na nagmamayabang tayo when we point this out. O kaya nakalimutan na natin kung saan tayo galing. But we don't compare because we hate the Philippines or we've forgotten where we came from. We compare because we feel cheated. Kasi alam naman natin na we deserve better. Better than what we've learned to just tolerate. And that's when you realize a really painful truth. The Philippines didn't fall behind because Filipinos are not capable. As OFWs, nakikita natin yan every day. We are some of the hardest workers abroad. We literally help build the economies of other countries. But the sad reality is, our country fell behind because it was never built to work for ordinary people. Kaya yung mga ordinaryong tao tulad natin, nagiging OFW. Umaalis tayo para lang makasurvive. We work abroad for years, minsan decades pa. We send remittances every single month para lang buhayin ang mga pamilya natin. Pero the moment na umuwi na tayo, we step right back into the same everyday struggles. Yung traffic, yung mahahabang pila, the red tapes, the bureaucracy, the corruption. Ang hirap ng lunukin na parang all those years of sacrifice, all those years of being called bagong bayani, never really translated into a better life for us back home. Uwi ka na lang ng Pilipinas and nothing really changed. Mararamdaman mo na lang na parang time stood still. That's why these comparisons matter, even if they leave us feeling stranded. OFWs don't just travel to relax. Nagtatravel tayo carrying two countries in our head. One country that shows us what a functioning society looks like, kung paano dapat itrato ang mga citizens. And another one that keeps asking us to sacrifice and just accept less. As OFWs, we've seen firsthand how other countries are like and how governments can actually choose to work for its people. And what really hurts is realizing how long Filipinos have been conditioned to expect so little and just be content with less than mediocrity. These comparisons matter because they force us to look at exactly what our sacrifices are paying for. And the moment we stop comparing is the moment we accept that this is all we deserve. I hope you get what I mean. And I'll see you in my next journal. Bye.